going to explain about the forced convection, external flow, flat plates. It is laminar flow or turbulent flow. So here this is the dimensionless groups. So here Biot number, Euler's number, and Fourier's number, Prandtl number, Reynolds number, and Nusselt number, Rayleigh number, and Starter number. So here this is the dimensionless parameters or dimensionless groups formulas. So here in this external flow, flat plates. Now I am going to explain about the how to calculate the flat plates with the help of T film temperature is equal to TW plus T infinity by 2. So here TF is equal to film temperature and TW is equal to surface temperature or wall temperature. T infinity is equal to free stream fluid temperature. That means air temperature or fluid temperature. So here in this laminar flow, Reynolds number is less than 5 into 10 power 5. So 5 into 10 power 5. And in case of the Reynolds number is greater than 1.5, we can consider turbulent flow. We can consider turbulent flow. So coming to the today's problem. So here in this boundary layer condition and local friction coefficients and average frictional coefficient, local shear stress we already calculated. Coming to the second question. So water flow over a flat plate. This is also already explained. So here in this problem, the properties are to be 50 degrees centigrade. The properties are to be 50 degree centigrade. The properties values given in the question. Next question, external flow laminar. So here engine oil. So in the previous class we explained the air is passed on the flat plates and water is passed on the flat plates. So here in this third problem, engine oil at 25 degrees. So here what is the fluid? So here fluid is the engine oil at a 25 degrees centigrade, flows over a 30 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide. So here 30 centimeters means length and 20 centimeters wide. So here the plate at 1.5 meters per second. So here the plate at 1.5 meters per second means velocity. So units meters per second means velocity, which is heated to a uniform temperature of 55 degrees. That means heated to a uniform temperature. That means TW is equal to T wall temperature or otherwise T surface. T surface temperature is equal to 55 degrees, and this is the engine oil temperature. That means fluid temperature is T infinity. Fluid temperature is T infinity. So here what is the object? Plate. That means flat plate. So here at 40 degrees for the engine oil, density is given and V value is given and K value is given and Prandtl number is 2870. Determine the rate of heat transfer. Determine the rate of heat transfer. So we can calculate Q is equal to HA delta T. Q is equal to HA delta T. So in this formula, so A is the known parameter and delta T is the known parameter and Q is H is unknown parameter. Now we need to calculate H value. So convert to heat transfer coefficient. So this is the given data. T infinity is equal to 25. T infinity is equal to 25. And U equal to 1.5 meters per second and width is equal to. So width here length equal to 30 centimeters and width equal to 20 centimeters. So width equal to 20 centimeters and length equal to 30 centimeters. So wall temperature 55. So here in this problem, we need to calculate T film temperature. So in we already have 55 degrees centigrade from wall temperature and oil temperature is 25 degrees. So what is the film temperature? So film temperature is equal to TW plus T infinity by 2, that equal to 55 plus 25 by 2 is equal to 80 by 2, that means 40 degrees. So here now we need to consider 40 degrees centigrade for the engine oil properties. So what is the engine oil properties? So already given in the question. So here density value, V value, K value and Prandtl number. We observed Prandtl number is 2750. So Prandtl number is 2750 in our data book, page number 21. That means dry air properties and any other oil properties, ammonia properties. The Prandtl number is always 1.0, 13.6, 7.6 and 1 point. So like this. So here 2.28 point and the glycerin is 84700 sulfuric acid. So here this is the highest Prandtl number is glycerin 84700. So and this is the ammonia and liquids properties. So here sulfur dioxide, so methyl. So here we observe in the data book page numbers, so the Prandtl number is always 3.6, 4.0, 5.2 point, some little bit value. So here in this problem, the Prandtl number is 2870. It is higher value. So here Prandtl number is higher value 2870. So now we need to consider. So here this is the external flow from data book page number 112. From data book page number 112. Data book page number 112. So here this is the external flow flat plate. First we need to calculate Reynolds number. It is less than 5 into 10 power 5 or greater than 5 into 10 power 5. We need to check it. So here first point, Reynolds number RE is equal to UL by V. So here U value is already given, U value is given and V value taken from 40 degrees engine oil. So here V is equal to 24 into 10 power minus 5. So we need to substitute U value, L value and V value. So in this Reynolds number equation or Reynolds number formula. So here Reynolds number is laminar flow. Reynolds number is 1875. It is less than 5 into 10 power 5. So this is the laminar flow. So here Prandtl number is already given 2870. So I think this is 2870. I am considering 2875. So we need to change as Prandtl number is 2875. Okay, unfortunately 8725 and I am taking Prandtl number is equal to 2875 like this. So here exact value is 2870. That's why I am changing Prandtl number is equal to 2875 in the question. So here this is the Prandtl number. So here Prandtl number 2875 fluid is very high. The fluid is very high. So here from data book page number, so we need to consider data book page number. So here this is the laminar flow, this is the flat plate and external flow flat plate. Its Reynolds number is less than laminar 5 into 10 power 5. That's why I'm considering laminar flow. Okay. So here what is the value? Determine the rate of heat transfer. So Q is equal to H value. We need to know H value. So now we can calculate H value. How to calculate the H value? So Nusselt number Nu is equal to HL by K. HL by K. K is the thermal conductivity and L is the length of the flat plate and H is the unknown parameter and Nu is the known parameter. So now we need to calculate Nu value. So here how many Nu values is there? So see here constant wall temperature. So this is the first formula and here in this problem the leading edge is not mentioned. That's why I'm not considering this formula. So here the liquid metal, low Prandtl number, and for silicons and high Prandtl number. So we need to consider high Prandtl number. So here this is the second formula, and this is the liquid metal formula. Liquid metal formula. So here this is the constant flux formula. So no need to consider in this problem. The heat flux is not mentioned. That's why I'm considering these formulas. So here the high Prandtl number. So now we need to consider 1.1 and 1.12 formulas. So here Ne equal to 0.332, Rex power 0.5, Prandtl number power 0.333. So here what is the condition? So the Prandtl number in between 0.6 to 50. So in between the Prandtl number. So here what is the Prandtl number from our question? 2875. So here this is the 2875 Prandtl number. So now we need to substitute this value. This condition is not satisfied. That's why I'm not considering this constant wall temperature formula. Again, I am going to 1.1.2 high Prandtl number. So here Nu is equal to this formula. So here Prandtl number is PR greater than or equal to 50. So PR. So here 2875 greater than or equal to 50. That's why I'm considering this formula. And otherwise Rex into PR is also greater than 100. We need to check these values. So here Prandtl number into Reynolds number. So here this one into this one is equal to greater than 100. So that's why this condition is satisfied, and Prandtl number is also 2875. It is greater than 50. This condition is also satisfied. That's why I am considering this 1.1.2 formula. So here I Prandtl number. So now we consider NUX equal to this formula from data book page number 112. Data book page number 112. So here this is the formula. So we need to substitute Re value. So here what is the Re value? 1875, and what is the Prandtl value? 2875. We need to substitute these values and calculate after calculating these values. So Nu is equal to 207.9898. So what is the formula for Nusselt number? So Nusselt number formula. So here in this data book page number 111, dimensionless parameters. Dimensionless parameters. So here what is the Nusselt number formula? Where is Nusselt number? So here Nusselt number is equal to HL by K. So this is the flat plate and this is the cylindrical objects. So here HL by K. So L is known term and K is known term. So we need to substitute L value and K value in this equation. So what is the H value? So here convective heat transfer coefficient. H value is equal to 99.84. So now we need to calculate average value. So average means both sides. So here 2 into H. Average means, so here this is formula is also available in the data book page number. I think data book page number. So here the average value for constant heat flux or constant wall temperature. So here NUL is equal to 2 into NUL, the average value. So now we need to consider average value is equal to 2 into H value. So here this is the final convective heat transfer coefficient value. So determine rate of heat transfer. So here Q equal to 2A into TW minus T infinity. So here what is the area? Area is equal to W into L, width into length. So here H value is 199.68 and W value and length value is given. So here TW equal to 55 and T infinity is equal to 25. This is the Q equal to 359.42 watts. So this is the important problem. That means here the engine oil is given. So in the most of the problems, air, water is given. So here in this problem, engine oil. So coming to the next question. So coming to the next question, that means turbulent flows. That means turbulent flows. So in our regular data book, the page number 113 is missing from your data book. So here 112 is there and 114 is there. So 113 page is not scanned. So here in this PDF, so 113 page number is available in our regular notes. So here this is the flat plate turbulent flows. Flat plate turbulent flows. So here is also thermodynamics boundary layer formula and thermal boundary layer formulas. So here delta x is equal to displacement thickness formula, Ix is equal to momentum thickness formula. So here these are the formulas. So fully turbulent and n equal to 0.075 Re power into PR power 0.33. This is the generalized equation to calculate the Nusselt number for the turbulent flows. So this and this is also generalized formulas. So here in case of L value is given, we need to calculate average value. So we already mentioned in the previous classes, in case of any value power bar, here bar, this is the average value. So here L log G, so we need to consider this formula. In case of CFX, so what is the CFX? Local frictional coefficient. So here CFX formula is local frictional coefficients in between Reynolds number range between, we can consider this formula, and range between 10 power 7 less than Re power less than 10 power 9, consider this formula. So here flat plate turbulent constant heat flux. So here in this in the problems mentioned heat flux, so we need to consider this formula. So on laminar and turbulent combined flows. So some cases in our regular problems the flow is laminar and turbulent, so or otherwise it's combination of laminar and turbulent. That's why I'm considering this formula for calculating the hydrodynamic boundary condition. So here laminar turbulent, so laminar length considered, so CFL average friction coefficient. So here CFX is the local friction coefficient defined by tau Wx by rho u square by 2. So here rho Wx is equal to, sorry, tau Wx is equal to shear stress. So and this is the CFL formula. So next 1.5.2 laminar and turbulent constant wall temperature. Laminar and turbulent constant wall temperature. So here sometimes the problem the flows are mentioned. So in regular problems the flow are mentioned, it is laminar flow or turbulent flow. So after that we need to consider these formulas. So sometimes this flow is not mentioned, only we can give constant wall temperature. That's why we need to check these satisfactory conditions, whether Reynolds number is less than or equal to 10 power 8 or not. So here Prandtl number is in between 0.6 to 60 or not. So here this is the generalized formulas. So here in case of any n log E is asked from the question. So here we need to calculate starter number and Prandtl number is equal to CFX by 2. So here high speed flow, constant wall temperature. These are the turbulent flow formulas. So now we need to explain about the turbulent flow. So here the air at T infinity. So air is the fluid, that means T infinity, and 1 atmospheric flow over a flat plate. So here this is the flat plate and at 35 meters per second. So here U value. So here this is the external flow. Convection process, this is the external flow. So fluid is air, that means 20 degrees. The plate is 75 mm long. The plate is, so here L value is given and is maintained 60 degrees. So plate maintained, that means T wall temperature or T surface temperature is equal to 60 degrees centigrade. 60 degree centigrade. So here calculate the heat transfer from the plate per unit width of the plate. Calculate the heat transfer. So here Q value. Calculate the heat transfer for the unit width of the plate. So here width equal to 1. So width equal to 1 and also calculate. So here first question is Q value and second question also calculate the turbulent boundary layer thickness. Turbulent boundary layer thickness at the end of the plate, assuming it is to develop from the leading edge of the plate, assuming it to be developed from the leading edge of the plate. So here now we need to calculate this is laminar flow or turbulent flow. So here in this problem also calculate the turbulent boundary layer condition. Now we need to check it is laminar flow or turbulent flow. Laminar flow or turbulent flow. So what is the T infinity value? Fluid temperature is 20 degrees and velocity is U is 35, X equal to L equal to 75, wall temperature 60. We need to check from data book page number 112. So properties are to be evaluated at film temperature. That means T wall temperature plus T infinity by 2. I am considering film temperature is equal to, what is the TW value? 60 plus T infinity is equal to 20. That equal to 40 degrees. In this problem, the properties values are not mentioned. That's why I'm considering the properties are to be at 40 degrees centigrade. So from data book page number 33, data book page number 33, dry air properties. What is the T film temperature? T film temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. We need to consider data book page number 33. So here in this problem, the air at 20 degrees and 1 atmospheric flow. 1 atmospheric flow. So here the properties values of the gases at 1 atmospheric pressure. So now we need to consider dry air properties. So what is the temperature? 40. So we need to consider from data book page number 33 dry air properties. So here this is the dry air properties. So we need to consider density value and absolute viscosity value and kinematic viscosity value and Prandtl number, specific heat and thermal conductivity. So here this is the thermal diffusivity value. This comes under conduction. So now we need to we don't want to calculate we don't want to take thermal diffusivity value. So I am considering 40 degrees. So now I am shifted to this table like this. So here 40 degrees values. Now first of all we need to calculate Reynolds number value. What is the Reynolds number formula for flat plates? UL by V. So for flat plates, UL by V. So here from data book page number, Reynolds number formula, Reynolds number is equal to UL by V. So here U value and L value and V value substitute, Rex is equal to this value. So here the Rex value less than 5 lakhs laminar flow and greater than 5 lakhs turbulent flow. So here this is the greater than 5 lakhs. That means 5 into 10 power 5. That's why I'm considering turbulent flow. That's why I'm considering turbulent flow. So now we need to check data book page number 113. So here flat plate turbulent flow. So here we need to consider generalized formula fully turbulent from leading edge. So here in this question from leading edge is mentioned. That's why I am considering this formula. NUL is equal to 0.037 RE power PR power 0.33. So or otherwise, so here NUX is equal to 0.0296 REX power 0.8 into PR power 0.8. So here in this problem, X equal to L. So we need to consider NX formula or otherwise average NUL formula. So I'm considering from data book page number 113 external flow flat plates. We need to consider NUL average of Nusselt number formula 0.037 RE power 0.8 Prandtl number power 0.33. This is a formula taken from data book page number 113. That means turbulent flow. So we need to substitute RE value and Prandtl number value. So here NUX is equal to 2899.71. So here what is the NUL formula? So NUL formula is equal to Nusselt number formula is equal to HL by K. So here this is the NL is the average value. That's why I'm considering H bar into L by K. What is the L value? 0.75 and K value is from properties table 0.02756. So from property table, so here K is equal to 0.02756. 0.02756. So here this is the H value. So what is the first question? So we need to calculate heat transfer. So Q equal to HA delta T. So Q equal to HA delta T. So here the heat transfer from the plate per unit width is equal to width into length. So here H value and A value and 2A delta T. So here in this flat plate from the leading edge we need to consider 2A. So on the top surface and bottom surface, that means 2A, 2 into 1 into width equal to 1 meter and length equal to 0.75. So here Q value. And what is the second question? Turbulent boundary layer thickness at of the end of the plate. So turbulent. So turbulent page number. Hydrodynamic boundary layer. So in the turbulent, what is the hydrodynamic boundary layer? So here delta Hx value is equal to 5x into Rex power minus 0.5. Okay, that is laminar flow. Now we in this problem is the turbulent flow. Am I right? That's why I'm considering delta Hx is equal to hydrodynamic boundary layer. చెప్తానా
సార్ ఇక్కడ టర్బులెంట్ లామినెంట్ మార్క్ వచ్చారంటే టర్బులెంట్ స్మూత్ గా వెళ్తుందా సార్, లామినెంట్ స్మూత్ గా వెళ్తుందా సార్?
అంటే మీకు అక్కడ కన్సిడరేషన్ లో స్మూత్ ఫ్లో అని ఎక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయడం నాన్న. అంటే మనకి ఫ్లో స్మూత్నెస్ అనేది ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ద వెలాసిటీ.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు స్మూత్నెస్ ఇవ్వడు, వెలాసిటీ ఇవ్వడు, మరి టర్బులెంట్ అని వాడు క్వశ్చన్ లో అలా ఇస్తాడా సార్? ఓన్లీ టర్బులెంట్ లేకపోతే లామినెంట్ అని ఇచ్చేస్తాడు అంతే కదా సార్?
ఇస్తాడు. స్మూత్నెస్ రఫ్నెస్ అన్నది మనకు మెన్షన్ చేయడు ఎక్కడ కూడా, ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్ లో కూడా స్మూత్నెస్ అని ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వడు చూడండి. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫ్లోలో సో సమ్ యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ మెయింటైన్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సో మీకు అది స్మూత్ రఫ్నెస్ అన్నది ఫ్లో వాల్యూస్ ఎక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయడం అన్న. మీకు అది ఎక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తారంటే ఇంటర్నల్ ఫ్లోస్ లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తారు. సో ట్యూబ్స్ లోనే అందులోనే ఉంటది కదండి. సో అక్కడ స్మూత్ ఫ్లో లేకపోతే రఫ్నెస్ ఏంటి అన్నది మీకు నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఫ్లో ఇంటర్నల్ ఫ్లోస్ లో వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు సమ్ ఎయిర్ అప్లై చేస్తున్నప్పుడు సో అది స్మూత్ ఫ్లో అని చెప్పి మనం ప్రాపర్ గా చెప్పలేము, ఎందుకంటే అట్మాస్ఫియరిక్ కండిషన్ లో ఉంటుంది అది. సో మీరు అప్లై చేసేది సపోజ్ ఏదైనా ఫ్లాట్ ప్లేట్ తీసుకుని ఒక టేబుల్ మీద ప్లేస్ చేస్తే సో మీకు అక్కడ ఏమవుతుందండి, ఒక ఫ్యాన్ ఏదో పక్కన బ్లోవర్ ఏదో పెట్టారు. సో అది యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ మెయింటైన్ అవుతుంది. కానీ అవుట్ సైడ్ అట్మాస్ఫియరిక్ కండిషన్ కూడా అప్లై అవుతూ ఉంటుంది కదండి. సో అది స్మూత్ ఫ్లో కింద మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయలేం, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఎనదర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా ఇంక్లూడ్ అయి ఉందండి. అదే ఇంటర్నల్ ఫ్లోలో ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ది యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ బిట్వీన్ ద సర్ఫేసెస్. సో ట్యూబ్స్ ఏమైనా తీసుకున్నారు అనుకో, మీరు యూనిఫామ్ వెలాసిటీ పాస్ చేస్తున్నారు అనుకోండి, సో అది లామినార్ అయినా టర్బులెంట్ అయినా ఫ్లో అనేది స్మూత్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతుందండి. సో అక్కడ ఏ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి అన్నది మీకు ఇంటర్నల్ ఫ్లోలో వస్తాయి. అక్కడ చెప్తాను అన్నది ఎందుకు అక్కడ స్మూత్నెస్ వస్తుంది, ఎందుకు ఆ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు అన్నది. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే సో ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోడైనమిక్ బౌండరీ లేయర్ కండిషన్ డెల్టా హెచ్ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.381 x into RE power minus 2. So this is the turbulent flow hydrodynamic boundary condition formula. So here 0.381 x into RE power minus 0.2. So here what is the x value? So here x equal to L. So delta Hx is equal to 0.381 into this is the L value 75 centimeters. So here that means 0.75 meters. This is the delta Hx value. So coming to the next question, So here the square plate maintained at a 95 degrees centigrade. Square plate at a 95 degrees centigrade. So here I mentioned external flow turbulent. You should not consider this is turbulent or this is laminar. How can you identify this question is laminar or turbulent? So now we need to check. So here a square plate maintained at a 95 degrees experiences of a force. So here F value is given. Force applied on the plate 0.5 newtons. So this is the square plate. So maintained at a 95 degrees. So wall temperature is equal to 95 degrees. When forced air. So here fluid is air that equal to T infinity. Flows over it's at a velocity of 30 meters per second. So here this is the internal flow or external flow. So in this problem velocity 30 meters per second is mentioned. So here this is the external flow. So here this is the external flow. Assuming the flow to be turbulent. So assuming to the flow to be turbulent. So here the condition is mentioned. That's why I am considering this is external flow turbulent problem. So external flow turbulent problem. Okay. External flow turbulent problem and using Colburn analogy. Colburn analogy using. So here the condition is mentioned. What formula to be taken? So calculate first one. The heat transfer coefficient. So here heat transfer coefficient means H value. The heat loss from the plate surface is Q value. So what is H value and what is Q value? So now we need to check. This problem is turbulent flow or laminar flow. This problem is turbulent flow or laminar flow. So in this problem it clearly mentioned assuming the flow to be turbulent. So that's why I am considering this problem is turbulent flow. So again I am checking this is turbulent or not. So here this is the square plate. So all dimensions are same dimensions. So here L value is not given. So in this problem, what is the L value? The length of the plate value is not mentioned. So only square plate and T infinity value and force value and uniform velocity value is mentioned. Now we need to calculate length of the plate. Okay, we need to calculate length of the plate. From given data, TW is equal to 95 and force is equal to 10.5 and TA is so here this is T infinity. Heat temperature or any fluid temperature T infinity and U value. What is the L value? We need to calculate L value because of, so here H value is we can calculate H value and Q value. So in the Nusselt number formula HL by K. So the L value is unknown parameter. So we don't need to calculate this NU value. So here in this formula NU is equal to HL by K. So what is the L value? First of all, we need to calculate L value. We need to calculate L value. So assuming the flow is to be turbulent. So here assuming the flow to be turbulent, we consider this formula turbulent. From drag force, the drag force formula. So here force value is mentioned. That means 10.5 watt, 10.5 newtons. So what is the shear stress formula? Shear stress is equal to force per area. So here force is force value is given, area is not given. So here area is equal to L into L. So this is the square plate. Width into length is equal to L square. Area equal to L square. So force value is known term and area is in terms of L square. So what is the L value? So here L value is not mentioned. That's why I'm calculating L value. So here this is the force per area. So what is the shear stress formula from data book page number 112? So here shear stress, wall shear stress. So here CFX is equal to tau Wx by rho u square by 2. We need to consider this formula. So here CFX is equal to tau Wx by rho u square by 2. So here CFX into 1 by 2 rho u square. So we need to substitute this value like this. Okay. So here what is the temperatures? Wall temperature 95 and ambient temperature 25. So here 60 degrees. So in this question is also not having any properties. Only we can calculate from data book page number 112. Film temperature is equal to. So here 60 degrees. So here this is the square plate maintained at A. So here the fluid is air. Now we need to consider from data book page number 33 dry air properties. Dry air properties at what is the value? 60 degrees. So we need to consider 60 degrees corresponding values. So this is the 60 degrees value. So F formula. So force formula and Reynolds number formulas. So here L is unknown parameter, U is known parameter, V is known parameter. So here in this problem, this is the turbulent. This is the turbulent. So clearly mentioned, assume the flow to be turbulent. So here this condition is not mentioned in the problem. So we need to calculate Reynolds number value. So here L equal to unknown parameter, U equal to known parameter and V equal to known parameter. So the condition, is it laminar or turbulent, is not mentioned in the questions. We need to consider Reynolds number as a transient condition. That means 5 into 10 power 5. So ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో నాన్న ఎక్కడన్నా సరే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ లో మీకు లామినార్ ఫ్లో ఆ టర్బులెంట్ ఫ్లో అని చెప్పి ఎక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయకుండా ఎల్ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి అంటే మీరు చేయవలసింది ఏంటి అంటే రెనాల్డ్స్ నెంబర్ వాల్యూ మీకు తెలుసండి. యూ వాల్యూ తెలుసు, వి వాల్యూ తెలుసు, ఎల్ వాల్యూ తెలియదు. అప్పుడు రెనాల్డ్స్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు యుఎల్ బై వి అని చెప్పి మీరు లెంత్ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. కానీ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఏం మెన్షన్ చేశాడండి? అస్యూమింగ్ ద ఫ్లో టు బి టర్బులెంట్, అస్యూమింగ్ ద ఫ్లో టు బి టర్బులెంట్. సో అలా టర్బులెంట్ అని మెన్షన్ చేసేస్తే మీరు రెనాల్డ్స్ నెంబర్ వాల్యూ కన్సిడర్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకే. So here flow is turbulent, the Reynolds number should be greater than 5 into 10 power 5. So this is the turbulent formulas from data book page number 113, the flat plate turbulent formula. So now we need to calculate and substitute these values. So here F equal to, so here what is the F value? F is equal to 10.5. This is the F value is known term and density is taken from data book page number 33, that is dry air properties. U value is known parameter and L value is unknown parameter, and CFX is the we need to calculate CFX value. So what is the CFX? Local friction coefficient. So here in this data book page number 113, CFX formula. So here CFX formula is, so here this condition is 5 into 10 power 5 less than RE less than 10 power 7. Now we need to consider this formula. CFX is equal to 0.0592 REX power minus 0.2. So here this is the formula. So here the condition is also satisfied. So we need to substitute REL is equal to UL by V. So here U is known parameter and V is known parameter, L is the unknown parameter. Now we need to substitute these values. So what is the CFX value? 3.4 into 10 power minus 3 L power minus 0.2. So this is equation number 2. So here this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we need to substitute CF value in the first equation. That means drag force is equal to CFX into half rho U square into L square. So here CFX value, this one, and density value from data book page number 33, 1.060. We need to substitute density value and U value. The L is the unknown parameter. This is here L power minus 0.2 and here L square. So after simplifying this equation, this is the 1.625 value, 1.625 into L power minus 0.2 and L square. So here A square into B square is equal to AB 2 plus 2 whole square. So here 2 minus 0.2. That means 1.8. So here this is the L value. So we need to substitute. So here 1.625 is bring it from this side. So 10.5 by 1.625 is equal to L power 1.8. So this is the simplification value 6.4615. So here 1.8 is there. So both sides 1 by 1.8 value. So here 1 by 1.8, 1.8 and 1.8 get cancelled. So here this is L value is equal to 2.8195, 2.8195. So Reynolds number. So here L value is known parameter. Reynolds number is equal to greater than 5 into 10 power 5. So here this is the turbulent flow. So now the L value is satisfied with the Reynolds number is greater than 5 into 10 power 5. So the condition is satisfied. This is turbulent flow condition. Now we need to calculate first question. What is the first question? So using turbulent and using Kalban analogy. So here first one. So this is the condition we need to consider. The first one, heat transfer coefficient. So heat transfer coefficient. So in the data book page number 114, that is turbulent 1.53 by using analogy. So here STX into PR power 2 by 3 is equal to CFX by 2. So I'm considering analogy formula from data book page number 114 1.53. So condition is mentioned. So that's why I'm considering this formula. So here ST, what is the ST? Starter number. We don't have starter number formula. We consider from data book page number 111. So here starter number is NU by RE into PR. NU by RE into PR. So here what is the NU formula? NU formula is also available in our regular data book. So here NU is equal to HL by K. So now we need to substitute NU equal to HL by K. So now RE value is calculated. So here 44.58 and PR value is taken from the 60 degrees temperature from properties table. PR value is 0.696. 0.696. We need to substitute these values. So here L value is known parameter. We already calculated. We need to substitute L values also. So here H equal to H value. So here what is the H value? So start on number is unknown parameter and H value is unknown parameter. We need to write ST is equal to in terms of H. So ST is equal to in terms of H value. So here we need to substitute CFX value, PR number value and ST value in this equation. So here ST value. So we need to substitute ST value like this and Prandtl number value and CFX value. So after substituting these three values, H equal to 56.03 watt per meter square Kelvin. Watt per meter square Kelvin. So first question, heat transfer coefficient. So H value already calculated. So here heat loss Q equal to HA into TW minus T infinity. So here L is equal to, so here area is equal to L into L. That means area is equal to L square. Width equal to L and L equal to L. So here this is the L square. So L value is already calculated. So we need to consider this H value, A value and TW minus T infinity values. So Q equal to 31179. So in terms of kilowatts, 31.79. So next question. So next question. The air at 20 degrees and 1 atmospheric flows over a flat plate at 40 meters per second. So this is T infinity value. 1 atmospheric flow over a flat plate. Velocity is equal to 40 meters per second. The plate is 80 centimeters long. L value is given and is maintained at 60 degrees. That means wall temperature. Assuming unit depth in Z direction. Assuming unit depth in Z direction, calculate the heat transfer rate. That means Q value. How can you calculate the heat transfer rate from this question? So it is turbulent or laminar flow. How can you identify that? It is laminar or turbulent. How can you identify that? So here we need to calculate heat transfer rate from the plate, Q value, heat transfer rate. So ఇదన్నా
RE క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి సార్ టర్బులెంట్ లామినార్ తెలుసుకోవడానికి.
లామినార్ టర్బులెంట్ అన్నది మన RE వాల్యూ ఫస్ట్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే అది లామినార్ టర్బులెంట్ తెలుస్తుంది నన్ను. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ప్రాపర్టీస్ వాల్యూస్ ఏమైనా ఇచ్చాడేమో చూడండి క్వశ్చన్ లో. సో మనకు ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు. సో లామినార్ టర్బులెంట్ అని ఎక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ లో మెన్షన్ చేయలేదండి. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏంటంటే ఇచ్చిన టెంపరేచర్ చూడండి. సో హియర్ the plate is 80 centimeters long and is maintained 60 degrees. The T wall temperature is 60 degrees and air temperature is 20 degrees. So this is the external flow condition. So because of the flat plate is at 40 meters per second, the uniform velocity is maintained. That's why I'm considering external flow formula. T film temperature is equal to TW plus T infinity by 2 is equal to 60 plus 20 by 2. That is 40. So what is the medium? So here this is the fluid. The fluid is air. That's why I'm considering physical properties of air at 40 degrees. That means film temperature. Again I am going to data book page number 33. That means dry air properties. Page number 33. At 40 degrees, dry air properties table. So here this is the dry air properties 40 degrees. So what is the length? Length equal to 80 centimeters. That means 0.8 meters. So Reynolds number RE is equal to UL by V. So we need to substitute U value, L value and V value from 40 degrees. So here 16.96. So here Reynolds number value is greater than 5 into 10 power 5. So in case of less than, we need to consider laminar flow. So here in this problem, greater than 5 into 10 power 5. That's why I am considering turbulent flow. I am considering turbulent flow. So here from data book page number 114. So here this is the laminar and turbulent constant wall temperature. Laminar and turbulent constant wall temperature. We need to check. So here from data book page number 114, laminar and turbulent constant wall temperature. So how can you take this formula? So page number. So here this is the turbulent flow. So here laminar, turbulent flow. So here we need to check NUX value. So here what is the NUX values flow condition? So here the fully turbulent from leading edge. Fully turbulent from leading edge. So in this question, it did not mention any leading edge. That's why I'm not considering these formulas. So here constant heat flux is not mentioned. That's why I did not consider this formula. And laminar and turbulent. So here this is the hydrodynamic boundary conditions. We don't want to calculate hydrodynamic boundary conditions. And next one 1.5.1 laminar turbulent, laminar length considered. So here CFX value, friction coefficient is not mentioned. That's why we did not consider this formula also. So here 1.52 laminar turbulent constant wall temperature. So constant wall temperature. So here this is the formula. So NUL is equal to Prandtl number power 0.333 into 0.3037 REL power 0.8 minus 8.71. So here we need to consider this formula. So because of, so here the analogy is not mentioned in the question. So on the high speed flow. So here the flow is not mentioned and Q value is the heat transfer equation can be used. Q equal to HA TW minus TAB. We don't have any TAB formulas, so that's why this is also not considered for our problem. So here we need to consider this formula only. So now we need to check. So here REL less than 10 power 8 or Prandtl number power 0.6 less than 0.6 less than PR less than 60. So in between 0.6 to 60. Now we need to check. So here Reynolds number less than or equal to 10 power 8. So here this is turbulent condition. This equation is less than or equal to 10 power 8 satisfied, and Prandtl number value from data book page number 33 at temperature 40 degrees PR equal to 0.669. So here 0.6 less than PR value. So here the PR value is 0.669. So this condition is also satisfied. That's why I am considering this formula from data book page number 114. So what is the PR value? 0.669, and RE value already calculated 18.86 into 10 power 5. We need to substitute these two values in this equation. After substituting this equation, NU is equal to 2630. So here what is the NU formula? NU is equal to HL by K. So L equal to 0.8 and K equal to 0.2756 from data book page number 33. That means film temperature properties. So K value. So this is the H value. The heat transfer rate. So determine heat transfer rate. Q equal to HA TW minus T infinity. So here area equal to width into length. So width is 1 unit and length equal to 0.8. That's why I'm considering area is equal to 0.8 into 1. So here this is the Q formula. This is the Q formulas.